Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to filter down to students missing application checklist items and then export them. This is part of our series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. We're starting on an application base today, and normally this kind of query would work best in Deliver in order to tell the students what items they are missing. It can also be nice as a query to help your counselors do outreach to students awaiting materials. I'm going to start with a subquery filter and join from application to checklists. Then, I'm going to filter under checklist to status for awaiting. I'm going to make sure that I can add my title of awaiting materials. And while we're here, I'm going to hit Command-C, because I'm a Mac user, in order to copy this query part. That will allow me to open a subquery export and hit Command-V in order to paste the part and not need to start again from scratch. I'm going to give it the name of missing materials, and then I'm going to change my output. This is an important step because I want to make sure that I'm seeing all of the materials and not just what Slate has decided is the rank 1 missing material. So, my new output is concatenate, and I'm going to use the row separator of \n to make sure that each missing item displays on a new line. It's also important here to make sure that the row limit is blank, unless you do want to have a limit. Finally, I'm going to go into exports here and select subject under checklists. If I preview, I can see that one student in my sandbox is missing a transcript. There's a lot more that we can do with this. A base join to person to pull in who is missing materials and get their email. Joins to payment activities in order to get links and amounts for potential missing application fees, and also a link to their Slate portal. Other helpful filters may include student type, start term, application round, just to give you some ideas. And I hope that this helps you reach your completed application goals. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.